Good morning everybody, Tracy here showing you what is in our August creative kit for Uniquely Creative. It is a beautiful kit, all masculine and lovely. And let's start off with the Workshop Curious from Craft. We have got the collectibles. We have got some glitz and glamour from Couture Creations in the beautiful gold. We have got a bag of wooden elements, and they are a whole bag full of numbers, which are perfect for cards as well as scrapbooking. We have got the Craft denim ink, so it's a full ink pad, a full size one, so this is great for you guys to try out Kay's new inks and see if you like them if you haven't tried them before. We have got these little metal cogs. I don't know if I can show you, got a lot of light in here today. A Craft textured grid stamp, which is awesome to keep in your stash forever. And a cute little stencil. Now this is not one of our designs, we did purchase this one from another company. It's a very cute little stencil. The Uniquely Creative magazine, full of all of your step-by-step instructions and all of your inspirational projects as well. So that is the magazine. There is a sheet of corrugated cardstock and a very cool cut-apart sheet for titles and all sorts of cute little things to put on your layouts. There is a sheet of vellum, a couple of extra sheets of pattern paper that are not included in the paper pack by Craft. We've added these in, so there's 2 extra sheets of paper. There is some craft cardstock and a couple of sheets of white cardstock, and of course, lucky last in the bottom is the Craft paper pack. So it is chock-a-block full, amazing kit, amazing value, all of that product for just $49.95 and even cheaper if you subscribe. Okay, let me take you through some of the options of layouts you have to choose from to make this month. So this is our first one. There is 2 dies we've used with this kit. This one here is called Tie Cluster, and I'll show you those at the end. We really wanted to do something different with this kit. Everyone kind of does cogs and things like that, so we've done these bike ties. They're very cool, and this is a brick die as well. So this is the first layout. This is one of mine. Rachel Dutchko has joined us. This is a beautiful layout. Look at the eyes on that gorgeous child of hers. He's a beautiful boy. Stunning. Again, there's that brick die. Just having a quick look. So this is a beautiful stamp that you get in your kit, and of course the die as well. Another one, so it's great for your younger boys and your older boys, and of course your teenage boys as well. So Yvette also joined us. I love this one with that massive digger. But not just the boys, the girls too, because girls get their license and can drive as well. Such a cool photo. You guys have been asking to have more photos on the layouts that we do, so Yvette's done this amazing one with all these photos. It's a great collage and a great if you are doing putting in your album. So for example, you could have these 2 layouts together and they work really well together to create a double page. This one here, she's just added some of the paints that we use in the beginning of the year that you guys have collected in your kits throughout the beginning of the year. And this one is the one by Maria. Maria Aloisi has joined us again. She's a great scrapbooker and she's used that gorgeous brick die in a different way. And look at that wedding party. Aren't they cute? Such handsome fellows. And another one by Yvette. And I love how she's put that glitz and glam glitter glue through the stencil. Super cute. Oh, and there's one extra bonus one. Let me just show you that one up here. Relaxing in the boat. So perfect to scrap all the boys in your life. Great kit. There are some beautiful cards as well to get some Father's Day cards, maybe just some boy cards in your stash that the girls have made. Shana has also joined us. Oh, upside down. That one's better. Best friends, isn't that cute? You could easily swap that out with a happy birthday sentiment or a Father's Day sentiment. Remember on our Hey Mama, Hey Papa stamp set, we had Happy Mother's Day and Happy Father's Day. You can sneak them in. Cute card. This card, you'll see in there, has been embossed, it's been stamped, and it's been painted, and it's been stenciled. So great examples of how to use that cool new die. So many ideas for cards. Rachel has made this amazing stand-up card that folds flat to go in the mail. There are not instructions for this in the book. However, I am going to do a YouTube video later in the month to show you how you make one of these cards. Really simple to make and oh so effective. So look out for the YouTube clip on that, and on our blog we'll have all the instructions on that later in the month. Okay, so the two add-on dies you can purchase to go with this kit. This one here, as I said, is the tire cluster die, which is 1880. Fantastic die, a lot of metal in this one. And then this is the brick texture die, which is 1580. And as you can see how we've layered them throughout the project, we have made this one a little bit thicker and this one a little bit thinner. So when you're layering them, let me just show you here, you've got two different textures, so they're not just the same. So this would be where I end the video, but I just want to very quickly show you the card making kit that Tanya Ridgewell has made for us this month. This is our first Christmas card making kit. Last year our beautiful, do you remember the pink one we did? Sparkle or something it was called, I can't remember. That sold out and then we couldn't get it back in until right before Christmas. So this time, if you want to get these beautiful green and it's like a tealy colour cards in this gorgeous kit, let me just show you what's in the kit. You get this with the card ideas to get started. You get the collectibles, some ribbon, the little bling, 10 card envelopes and the paper pad, all for $25. Make sure you order this when you order your kit, otherwise you are going to be disappointed because we won't be able to get them back in. So we've ordered more than we did last year, so you should be right, but this is the first of our Christmas card making kits for the year, which we'll be releasing in August. All of this is on our website to pre-order from the 1st of August, and it will be shipping from the 5th, www.uniquelycreative.com.au. Make sure if you love our dies but don't want to get the kit, you jump over to your local retailer, support your local stores and go in there and purchase the dies from them. The kits are just available from us. Thank you so much guys. Till next time, bye.